Just one coin? This will take 1,000 years to make me rich.
It's not a coin, monkey. It's a seed. Watch.
Year 1. Your money makes a little interest. Boring, right?
Year 5. Now the interest is making its own interest. That's the magic.
How?
Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest. In Pakistan, start early with small amounts, and time does the heavy lifting for you.
Wait! I'm putting in more money! Why is his tree bigger? Because he gave his seeds more time to compound. You can't rush nature.
So, if I start today in a Sharia-compliant mutual fund?
Exactly. The compounding effect in Pakistan's high-yield accounts is a powerful tool for the patient.
I want it now!
I'm not touching this for 10 years. Grow, little seed, grow.
Wealth isn't built in a day. It's built in 1,000 todays. Don't wait for the right time. The right time was yesterday. The second best time is now. Subscribe.